Hey there, fellow adventurers. Ready to explore the world but worried about your spine issues? Fear not. Here's the ultimate guide on how to travel comfortably and safely with spine issues. Let's get you moving without the ouch. First things first, pack smart. Opt for lightweight luggage with wheels. Your back will thank you. And don't forget to pack a lumbar support pillow. It's like giving your spine a first-class ticket. Next up, stretch it out. Before you hit the road, do some gentle stretches. Think of it as a warm-up for your spine. And hey, if anyone asks, just tell them you're practicing your travel yoga poses. On the plane, train, or bus, choose an aisle seat. It gives you the freedom to stretch and move around. Be careful when lifting your bags, and don't be afraid to ask for help. And remember that lumbar pillow? It's your new best friend. Use it to maintain that natural curve in your spine. Focus on your posture. Got a layover? Perfect. Use that time to walk around and keep your spine happy. Choose supportive shoes. Sitting for too long is a no-no. So, get those steps in and explore the airport. Who knows, you might even find a hidden gem. Feeling a bit stiff? Heat packs are a game changer. Pop one on your back to soothe those muscles. It's like a mini spa treatment on the go. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water keeps your discs hydrated and your spine in top shape. Plus, it's a great excuse to take bathroom breaks and stretch those legs. Do pack some emergency medications just in case you have a flare-up. Talk to your doctor about anti-inflammatories, a steroid pack, and nerve or muscle spasm medications. So there you have it, folks. Traveling with spine issues doesn't have to be a pain in the back. With a little preparation and these handy tips, you can explore the world comfortably and safely. Ready to embark on your next adventure? Let's do this. Got any tips or stories to share? Drop them in the comments. Happy travels, everyone. Remember, the world is your oyster, even with spine issues. Let's make every journey a great one. And don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons for more spine tips.